Hey all, today we'll be looking at these bags from Moment, the Moment Rugged Sling Fujifilm X bags. These bags in particular are the same as the other ones, just that these ones have these Fujifilm X GFX branding on them and these orange zip ties. They have a black version, even the Moment branding on top of this part is pretty subtle, so you won't notice it. And all the straps are black also, so it's a bit like if you want to go incognito, that is the bag you need to go for. And there's a green version which is more of a cameo green color. I got this one in particular because I wanted this one to go good with my XS10 which I got recently. Right now I'm shooting on it. I hope it looks good. So in this video I will take you through what the features are of these bags, which is same as the other bag, and I'll take you the difference between the 6 liter and the 10 liter version of the bags. So let's get to it. First, let's look at the 6 liter version. This version is a bit more smaller and compact than the 10 liter version, obviously. It's about 5 centimeters shorter on width-wise, 1 centimeter shorter height-wise, and about 2 centimeters shorter on the thickness-wise. So let's open it up. Opening it up, you find that there's a top pouch, which is quite compact. Actually, the edge pockets are quite tight, while the middle pockets are quite decent. You can store your battery, your memory card, your any other small accessories over here, and also there's a space in front where you can store it. Now there is 2 spacers which you can remove and adjust as per your liking. And there's an iPad section where you can store about, I think a 10-inch iPad would be more apt. About a 10-inch iPad or a 10-inch tablet could easily fit over here. Closing it up, we have the front pocket. It's a bit tight over here. However, if you want to lock in your keys, keep your keys safe, and there's a carbon eye over here and it'll keep it safe. The 6 liter version has a more smaller width for the hugging to the body, so I believe this will be more suitable for women. For me, I found this to be a bit too short. The total width is the width of my whole body, so this is not suited for me. That's why I chose the 10 liter one. While this is enough, if you like something compact and discreet, this is the option that you need to go for. You can swap the ends if you like. If you want to have this from the left to the right, you can easily swap these. It does take a bit of effort. You have to remove from here and put it over here, clip it onto this side. It might take a bit of 5 minutes, but once you get it done, it's done. You don't need to change it again and again. Back to the front, we have these bottom straps. Over here we can store your tripod, and it is easily removed from these magnetic clip-ons over here. Just clip and it doesn't come out. Until unless you press it and release it, it doesn't get loose. Same thing at the back, the strap. The strap is also magnetic, so you can easily align it and lock. Once you unlock it, it's pretty much set. So it's easy align, lock, and you have an extra cross-link strap for that extra bit of stability, you can say so. And this one is like, it's also magnetic. So that's about it for the 6 liter. Now let's get to the 10 liter version. The 10 liter version is pretty much larger, as you can. When I went through the dimensions, I thought I wouldn't need the 10 liter version. The 6 liter will be more than enough. But the 10 liter, even though it's only a few centimeters here and there, it makes a huge difference, which I'll show you right now. So let's open this up. Opening it up, you get more space over here, like easily more space. In the smaller little bag, I could only fit this sideways like this, and there won't be any space over here. Even the camera goes over here, you won't find any space width-wise. So it's a pretty tight fit. If you like something really tight fit, then that's the bag you need to go for. But if you want that extra wiggle room, then this is the one. So because of which I can easily store these accessories, a lot of accessories. You get 3 dividers instead of the 2 in the 6 liter, and best of all, the top section is much larger. It's a more usable shape, a square shape. So when you open it, you have 4 easily accessible sections. It's not a tight fit. Now I'll switch on to my other camera so I can show you the differences between the 10 liter version and the 6 liter version, how much I can store in each of them without any hassle. So as you can see, everything but the shotgun mic could fit into the 6 liter bag. Another thing you would notice is that I had to use some extra slots for fitting all the stuffs into the 6 liter version, and everything is a bit of a tight fit over here. While in the 10 liter version, you'll find there is ample room. Simple example, if I put the camera back into the 10 liter bag, you can see I have a hand's width of space between the camera and the bag border. The 6 liter bag retails for $99.99 USD, while the 10 liter version retails for $149.99 USD. But these are on sale now during the holiday season, and there is quite a hefty discount on both of them. While 6 liter version gets a $30 discount, making it $69.99 USD, while the 10 liter version gets a whopping $50 discount, making it $99.99 USD. So if you're planning to buy these, this is the best time to get these bags. If you want to find more information about these bags, there's lots of videos out there on YouTube. Please go check them out. But in this video, I just wanted to show you guys how this bag fits into my workspace and how it fits a simple mirrorless camera like the XS10. So that's about it for this video. In conclusion, this is the reason why I'm going to stick with the 10 liter version, and I'm going to go back the 6 liter version because I find it more satisfying for my needs. It has a bit more useful space than the 6 liter version. But if you want something really compact, like I mentioned before, just go with the 6 liter. It'll be the best choice that you have made. But if you want something a little bit larger, then go for the 10 liter version. I'll put the affiliate links in the description below. Please check them out. If you happen to want to buy these at no extra cost to you, I get a small kickback for this. So if you like this video, please click the like button. Click the subscribe and the notification bell icon to be notified on my future videos. Stay home, stay safe, take care.